at this point, when you basically have a clear plan for your analysis, you have set up your review criteria, you have defined your synthesis picos in RefMan. This is a good starting point for designing your data extraction template, because at this point, you really know which data to extract. And like Rachel said, hopefully that will save you a lot of time. And in the RefMan Web Knowledge Base, you'll find templates that will guide you to structure the data in a way that you can import them directly into RefMan. So these templates can actually be used as a starting point together with the synthesis picos to help you design your data extraction sheets. For today's session, we have prepared a data set, and I will start sharing those and just walk you through how that can look like. So the first file that I'm showing you, so you can see this is an Excel file, but it's actually saved as CSV. So that's really important because CSV is the format that RefMan can handle. And this sheet is called the study information sheet, and it has information about the studies. It could have information about the study characteristics. In this data set, there's nothing there yet, but what you can see is that we have actually added categories for the covariate that we have defined for our analysis. And the next sheet that I will share is which arms the studies report. And that sheet looks like this. So that basically has the studies and the arms. You can enter descriptions and import them if you want to. Also, if you only define the arms, the interventions will be automatically populated on import. But this is the arm sheet. And finally, I will share the most exciting one, which has the result data. Great. Okay, so this sheet, as you can see, is a bit more complex because this is basically the root of all your analysis. Here, you can see we have the studies again. Each row is an arm result. So we have the outcome defined, what type of data it is. If it's contrast data, it will show the effect measure, and you'll always be defining the arms. If it's contrast data again, you'll have a reference arm or not, and then you have the actual data added. So if you make sure that you extract your data and structure it in this way, like the 3 sheets I've shown you now, you'll be able to import into RefMan, assuming that you've set up the review criteria.